Hi, my name is Dion. I am the campus manager for Wagon Munich, and I'll be the host for the 9 weeks bootcamp coming up. We started Wagon Munich in March 2020 and have ever since been running bootcamps with 15 to 20 participants from all walks of life.
Hi, I'm Ricardo, and I just finished the full-time web development bootcamp at Wagon in Munich. During my studies, I pursued a double master in international business and economics between Venice and Stuttgart.
Hi, my name is Paul. Before I started learning to code, I was an operations manager.
My name is Luisa and I graduated last year from high school. The batch in Munich was relatively small, but we were a really nice combination of different personalities, different professions. Everyone had their own reason to participate, had their own stories to tell. We just had a really great time.
I decided to join Wagon because I'm really interested in the tech startup scene. And I saw in Wagon the possibility of moving from the business side, so the PowerPoints, to the MVPs, and be able to create a real working product.
Munich just has something for everyone.
Munich especially has had a growing startup scene in the last few years, and of course we saw that many people were interested in gaining the technical knowledge and gaining the technical understanding they need to compete in tomorrow's markets.
Having Wagon in Munich would be definitely a push for entrepreneurship.
It was so nice to come in here every day, seeing that you're not the only person struggling with all the challenges. And I really liked coding from the first day on. And I definitely know right now that I will change my career and dive deeper into coding.